standard. You don't have to mention the name of your city or your colony. You know that very well. Because then your location will be addressed in the paper. That will be given in the paper. This address will also be given, so no need to worry about it. Thereafter date. Today's date is January 12, 2021. Then the receiver's address. We had to write the letter to the editor. So first we have to write the designation, the editor. After that, the newspaper. Name of the institution we need to write. And here the institution is the name of the newspaper. And the address is Delhi, so here also the address will be Delhi. After that, the subject. What was the subject? On which issue we have to write the letter? So what we wanted? We wanted a change in it. So the report on effects of outdated education. Reports on effect of outdated education. Dear sir, through the columns, yeah, also I told many more ways you can start. Since it's a sort of complaint, sit down all of you. I regret to inform you all that our education system is outdated, due to which our job opportunities are lacking to the people, and that is why most of the population of our country is unemployed, which is not good actually. So that all these points you can mention, that is how. Now let us start. How do you want to start? Through the columns, or I regret to inform? Let us write through the columns. Because it is a sort of informational letter, not a complaint letter. If it was complaint, then you could have written, I regret to inform that we have told these problems to the municipalities and we have written multiple letters, but nobody responded. And that is why we are writing a letter to you now. But now we can write like this through the columns. Of your esteemed newspaper through the columns of your esteemed newspaper I would like to inform, I would like to bring into light. Let's upgrade this. I would like to bring into light the following issues. The following issues. What are the issues? We are still studying with the same old outdated pattern. That is the very first thing. Now what are the consequences of this? Because our education system is old. How we are studying? We are just mugging up things and we are not learning anything. And when it comes to job, then you will have to study everything again. Because the information which is given to you in class 6 to 10, that only come during the job interviews and the job interest test. But you are not able to answer them. Why? Because you were not taught to understand those things. You were taught to mug up those things. And that is because of this, the consequences that you are lacking when it comes to getting job. And that is why major population of our country is unemployed. So it's a very serious concern. It was a very beautiful letter to be written, but you people haven't written. So let us write the following issues. Full stop. What are the issues? We are still studying. We are still studying. Studying how? We are still studying according or with, in accordance to, according according to the old pattern. We can't call it outdated till your system doesn't call it outdated. जब तक आपका system नहीं बोलता, your country doesn't say that it is outdated, you can't call it outdated. So what we can write? According to the old system of education. Due to this we lack in what?
To find a job.
We lack in, basically we lack in learning things and we end up mugging up things. We lack in learning things and we end up mugging up things. Now this leads to what? This leads to, this results into unemployment. How? But you can't write directly. This results into what? Inefficiency. आप efficient नहीं हैं खुद को job interviews में present करने के लिए, इसलिए आप unemployed हैं. Direct old शिक्षा पद्धति डायरेक्ट आपको अनएम्प्लॉय नहीं कर रही है, वो तो आपको शिक्षा दे रही है, पर इस ओल्ड शिक्षा पद्धति की वजह से आप खुद को प्रेजेंट करने में सक्षम नहीं है. सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं दिस लीड टू इनएफिशिएंसी. दिस लीड्स टू इनएफिशिएंसी. हाँ, दिस लीड्स टू इनएफिशिएंसी. किस चीज की इनएफिशिएंसी है ये? Inefficiency of presenting oneself. And now this finally, its consequences, unemployment. Unemployment. And now tell some preventive measures. The government or the education system should be changed in such a way that the students are motivated towards practical knowledge instead of having bookish knowledge. The education pattern should be changed such that students are motivated, students receive direct, right? Such that the students receive what? Yes, this is how you can reduce the number of words. Such that the students receive more practical knowledge than bookish knowledge. That because you have used this word more, it means there's comparison, comparative degree है, तो than वाला use करना पड़ता है. यहीं आप डायरेक्टली अगर लिख देते such that students receive practical knowledge, तो आपको than वाली लाइन skip कर सकते थे, ठीक है? Than bookish knowledge. And now this article से direct effect तो होगा नहीं. So now what do you hope from the editor? Now you have to hope, your conclusion to the editor should be that this article is printed in the newspaper so that more and more people read and get aware about it, and the authorities concerned might think about this issue. Jagru. Enlightens, again laughing. Enlightens the young minds. Also, the authorities will consider the issue. Will be acknowledged. Thanking you. Thanking you very sincerely or yours sincerely. What is the name of the person writing the letter? Mohan. Mohan, or girls can use Mohini. So this was the question that we solved in today's class. Okay. When can you assure me that you are thorough with letter writing? When? How many days of practice do you need? Tell me that many days we will practice. How many days do you need?